Welcome to this short video on the topic of economics and the introduction to economics. Now, this video is really setting up the next video, which is the Robbins definition. But I want to look at a couple of famous writers in economics and see what their contribution to our definition of economics is. So we need a definition. We need to know what we're talking about. If we don't have a definition, then we're not too sure what the subject matter is. So like virtually all subjects, we need a definition to start. And as I said, the two I'm going to look at is Keynes, very, very famous economist back in the turn of the 20th century, and Alfred Marshall. Both of these are very important writers and gave us great insights into economics. So let's look at their definitions for a start. We'll start with Keynes' definition, and that's the study of things having to do with man's material welfare. Lovely definition, except it's very vague. The study of things. The study of things? Studying what? Doesn't tell us what things. Man's material welfare. Does it cover everything? Everything that's material, everything physical. What about services? Are services covered? Presumably they are. So I'm being deliberately obstructive here, but the definition does lack precision. It doesn't tell us an awful lot. So let's leave Keynes' definition and respect what he's done for the subject, but the definition is a little weak. Marshall's definition, now Alfred Marshall, in the Principles of Economics in 1890, he set out the framework for our study of economics. We're still using it. When we talk about the market and supply and demand and all of that sort of material, that's all Alfred Marshall. So he gave us an enormous insights into the way economics work. But his definition of economics itself is the study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. Again, very, very vague. The study of business in the ordinary business. What is the ordinary business of life? What does that mean? So it's defining something with something we don't know. The ordinary business of life. So those are two definitions from two great writers in the subject, and you can see how vague they are. So we're reserving ourselves for Robbins' definition, which is available on the click of a button later on. So let's leave it at that and say thank you for watching.